These are settings that you must remember if you are uploading a video to YouTube. If you do them wrong, then you can absolutely mess up your video and get 0 views. Okay, so if we go up here and we upload a video, you select your file. Let's just get this one. Okay, so this is the video. Let's just say this is an example video. So do not set it as made for kids. If you set it as made for kids, you'll lose the ability to make money from it and no one will be able to comment on it. And you might even get in trouble if it's actually not for kids. So there's no reason to do this. Okay, you should add your video to a playlist so people can binge your playlist on your channel. And make sure you do not add too many emojis. If you spam it, then it's actually bad for the algorithm. So remove that. So just do your description normally. Okay, let's go to show more. You can say no on the AI part. You need to turn off the automatic chapters because the AI is not really that good. It's going to mess up your chapters. It's going to create these chapters in the video that are not correct and they'll actually spoil your video. It's best if you just do it yourself. Just do it manually. So untick that and turn off the automatic places. There's no need for your viewers to know exactly what location you are at. Make sure you don't keyword stuff in the tags. If you repeat the same thing, if you repeat these long phrases that are all the same, then you already need to do that. The Google AI is quite smart, so you don't need to do that in this case. It can figure out what your video is about. You don't need all of these tools. So your language is your language and your recording date. And this is something you should untick. Publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Because what this does is it publishes your video to all of your subscribers. But what if your video is about something different that you don't normally post about? So your audience is mostly interested in Lamborghinis, but you post a video about Ferraris, then why would you want to notify them? Just remove this button, just untick it if your videos are about different subjects. And let people do the audio and video remixing. Let them use your videos to make shorts. It's just free publicity anyway. And set your category correctly for your videos. You can watch your video here, by the way. Watch it back before making it public. Just check for audio quality, video quality, check if there's any mistakes in there. That's always a good practice to do. This is Mahad from Tubehustle, by the way. If this video is helping you out so far, then I'll ask you to hit that subscribe button. I make videos on how to grow on YouTube, how to get more views, subscribers, wealth, and more. I usually upload every week, so make sure you subscribe if you want to grow your YouTube channel. I am learning from these other YouTubers, from the big YouTubers, and I am applying the knowledge to my own channel. I'm gathering all of that knowledge, and I'm sharing it here. I'm documenting my journey, seeing what I learn, sharing whatever I learn with everyone, so we can all benefit. I'm seeing what works and what doesn't. I'm growing this small channel to have better quality videos. Right now I'm learning about storytelling. That is something that is actually quite important, and I recommend you learn about storytelling. I will explain it in more videos coming up in the future, so make sure you subscribe. So make sure you follow my journey here. Okay, let's get back into the video. Okay, let's go to next. You can add subtitles manually, but I prefer to use CapCut. It just generates the subtitles automatically, so you don't have to, but they are hard coded in when I do it. And always add an end screen at the end. Basically what this does is at the end of the video, people can watch the next video. You just tell them, oh, watch this video as well. And then when they binge your content, they watch more than one video, then they watch another video. They watch one video, then they watch another one, then they watch another one. Basically what this signals to the YouTube algorithm is that your channel is a good channel. Then your videos will start getting pushed out and they will get more views and they will go viral. So you can select the one that is best for the viewer. You can choose any of these, whichever one you like. You can add cards if you want, but don't add it too early in the video. Add it like towards near the end or something, because basically what it does is it just shows a little link in the top right and it allows people to see your other videos. Or you can make it a link that goes anywhere. It makes people leave your current video and it might affect your retention. People might not watch till the end, which actually is a bad signal to YouTube as well. People need to watch till the end. So I don't really use it right now, but who knows, I might use it in the future. And always check for copyright issues at the end. Don't use other people's music that you do not have permission to use, because that will get your channel flagged. And if you get a lot of strikes, you might even lose your channel. Okay, don't set your video as public straight away. Set it as unlisted. And then just double check your video, see if everything is alright, if it's monetized, if the monetization is working and everything. And then you make it public. You can even schedule it for another day. You don't have to upload it right now. You can upload it at another time. Just go to audio library and just get the music from here. On your home tab, if you go to customization, you can actually put playlists on your homepage. If your homepage is empty or if it has unorganized things, then it's actually not good for viewers that are coming in and seeing your channel for the first time. So this is a good idea. Okay, if you go to your settings, don't forget to set your channel's keywords. They describe what your channel is about. and it helps the YouTube algorithm even a little bit. And inside customization and profile, make sure you also add a watermark on the entire video, and you can change it to be an image that says subscribe on it. That can actually help you as well. And add your email address here so people can contact you. And another little secret that you can use is when you're uploading your video, name your file the same as your title. Like for instance, right now, if this is example video, then I can just call this example video as well. Some people say that it's one of the dark arts of YouTube and it actually helps the algorithm. Okay, so that's it for this video. If that has helped you out, let me know down in the comment section below if you have used any of these tips. But once you start uploading and you get views, how do you actually make money from YouTube? Find out how this YouTuber made $200,000 in 1 month. Check out this video right here that I have made for you.